First, move the crosshair to the top left corner, select Area, select To Corner, move the crosshair down to the bottom right now, select To Corner, then change the width and height to 6 inches. Then refresh the screen and go to File in the upper left-hand corner, Design, Open, then find Border Loops and open those. Next, go to Modify, Skew, and then select Skew to in the lower right-hand corner. Now pick up the second design by going to File, Design, Open, then look for a block of hearts. Click on the design, select Open, then click Modify and resize it to 3 inches. Next, grab the selection tool and move it to the center of the block.